Welcome to this tutorial on adding a line break in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this guide you will learn how to access your WordPress site, log in using your Google account, and insert a separator element to serve as a clean line break on your web page. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once you are on the main page of WordPress, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before proceeding. When you are ready to log in, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you should see the login option. Clicking on this option will allow you to gain access to your account and the editing functionalities behind your website. After you have clicked the login option, the next step is to continue the sign-in process. Instead of entering a manual username and password, you will click on the option that says Continue with Google. This convenient method uses your existing Google account credentials, which simplifies the process and saves you time. When you choose Continue with Google, a prompt will display your available accounts. Select the correct account associated with your WordPress site, and the login process will complete successfully. Once you have signed into your account, WordPress will display a range of features and management options. Direct your attention to the section labeled Quick Links. In this section you will find an option called Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site will take you to the site editor interface. Here you have full control over the layout and content of your website. It is in this editing mode where the magic happens, and where you can make changes that affect the appearance of your site. Now that you are in the site editor, locate the plus icon positioned in the top left corner of the screen. The plus icon serves as the gateway to adding new elements or blocks to your page. Once you have located and clicked the plus icon, you will be presented with a search or selection field for various editing elements that can be inserted into your content area. In the search field that appears, type in the word separator. This term is specifically used to add a simple horizontal line or space that clearly breaks sections of content. The search process is designed to quickly filter through available blocks, making it easier for you to find the exact element you need without unnecessary delay. After typing separator into the search field, you will see the option appear in the list of available elements. With a straightforward click on the separator element, you add it directly to your site. The insertion of the separator helps to visually divide sections of content, providing clarity and improved accessibility for your readers. This method of inserting a line break is a common practice in web design, as it neatly separates content without the need for additional code or formatting adjustments. This concise yet effective process streamlines the task of editing your WordPress site. By following these steps, you quickly navigate from the WordPress homepage through the login and editing areas to finally inserting a separator element that functions as a line break. You have now completed the process and can see the new line break element on your site. Enjoy the simplicity of creating clean layouts with WordPress and building a more visually appealing website in a few minutes.